All right, greetings and salutations, everyone. As promised, this is where I talk about the Holochain patent. Again, if I'm going to read this word by word, if many of you guys, if you kind of just want to, I'll leave the link below so you guys can take a look at it. But here we go. So Thursday, 25th of March. I'm a little bit late to the party, but I'm finally bringing it up. And in Gibraltar for immediate release, U.S. patent granted for Holochain distributed app framework. And a big step forward to the P2P web. Holo Limited was granted a U.S. patent for the RRDHT network innovations within Holochain. RRDHT is a peer-to-peer networking design implemented in Holochain that describes a system of nodes communicating according to a relaxed, agent-centric, distributed hash table. Holo is owned in full by Holochain Foundation, a nonprofit organization based in Gibraltar, and formal transfer of this patent to the foundation will be completed this month. You can read more about the patent, 10 blah, 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 in the original document, United States Patent and Trademark Office website. All right, I'm about to read that whole entire thing. No, I'm not really. All right, so it says, so why file a patent? Well, Holochain is an open source project. So why would we need to spend the time and money to file for a patent? The reality is that projects can be stopped in their tracks by using their own innovations if others are granted patents for the technology. In other words, this is a defensive patent. It is our intention to use this innovation and share it openly within the context of Holochain open source framework. This patent is a critical component of the open source license used for Holochain. The cryptographic autonomy license was approved by the OSS in 2019, and it makes Holochain widely available to not only developers, but it also protects end-user data rights. Licenses are only powerful as they relate to the intellectual property laws they are based on. The COW's protections for Holochain and users of distributed apps built with Holochain are fully enforceable, and this patent enables that enforcement both through copyright and also through patent law. Van Limburg, the IP attorney involved in writing the COW and the patent application, shares this. Patents protect how innovations can be used. In our case, this patent is intended to protect the Holochain open source project from trolls who could file patents on their technical innovation and then use them to prevent us from implementing it. The patent is also a critical component of the cryptographic autonomy license. Licenses are only as powerful as they relate to IP laws they are based on. Having this patent ensures the CAO or CAL is fully enforceable, which means it will protect the rights of end users to have sovereignty over their data. Van Limburg, Taylor English. This is awesome, people. This is what we're talking about. All right, what is technology innovation of the patent for a layperson? Which that refers to me. In simple terms, this patent represents an easy way to represent complex distributed data models and manage them with high resilience. While it is possible to design computing systems that don't use state many problems, particularly those that are designed to reflect human interactions and the physical world, are easier to model when the computing system has state. The patent focuses on the methods for saving, storing, and retrieving data in a multi-node computing system where no single node has a comprehensive index of nodes or content managed by those nodes. As you can see in the diagram below, RHDHT gets efficient sharding and storage redundancy by many nodes with overlapping ranges of data they're responsible for. We get fast lookups by being able to jump to known peer addresses across the circle. And we have the simple way of representing who is responsible for holding data. This model turns out to be very efficient in managing a self-healing DHT. So it has a diagram right here as agent location. I have this location in the DHT. I store the data located within this arc and keep track of all the peers located within this arc. Okay, great. Agent Curate, I know peers and collective have fault tolerant coverage of this arc, peer location, peer storage. I know, okay, yeah. All right. the team behind Holochain and the people behind its patent, our team and community is deeply appreciative of the work that Arthur Brock, David Braden, and Jameson Day have put into this achievement. They are the authors of the innovation upon which this patent is based. Arthur is the co-founder of Holochain. David Braden is the leader on the Holochain core development team, who is instrumental at implementing peer-to-peer networking innovations in the framework. Jameson Day is an architect and team lead who worked deeply with the Holochain team for several years to iterate and improve designs. Now about Holo. Holo is a distributed cloud hosting network and marketplace that enables peer-to-peer Holochain applications to be used by regular web users. Holo does to app hosting what Airbnb did to hotels. Anyone can use a spare computer to become an app host and get paid in Holo Fuel for hosting distributed applications. Each host on the Holo network sets their own prices and preferences for the apps they want to host, and each app publisher sets the hosting specifications required for their Holochain application. Now about Holochain. Holochain is an open source framework and network protocol for developing peer-to-peer scalable and efficient applications. It is fast, secure, and versatile, which means it is perfect for a wide range of everyday apps. Its long list of uses includes social apps, team collaboration, Internet of Things, currencies, and much more. Holochain is a peer-to-peer innovation beyond blockchain that can actually deliver on blockchain promises. That's a huge paragraph. That's one of the things that makes Holochain very popular right now, is that it can, and it's starting to prove that it can solve the problems that blockchain has. We haven't even fully implemented blockchain across the world, and already we're having solutions to this issue. And once again, you know, when it comes to technology, I'd say all the time, hey, always, well, as me as a elementary investor, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm not a professional anything, maybe a professional basketball coach, but that's about it. I will say that Holochain has a way of starting something that's going to be greater than themselves. Does that make any sense? I do believe that there's going to be technology out there that's going to improve, obviously, on the Holo network. So we got a long ways to go when it comes to technology, but again, man, this is the beginning of something wonderful, especially when it comes to Holo Fuel. Licensing and legal. Holochain is the only implementation of the RRDHT P2P network innovation that we are aware of. Others interested in implementing based on it should contact legal at holochain.org. And this is something, again, I think I've talked to you guys before. This is how I found Holochain before. Again, I'm going to refer to my video, Holochain: The Next Frontier. Please take a look at that so you can understand the differences between technologies and how to and what you're actually invested in. So yeah, I'm really excited for Holo. They've been doing great lately. Yeah, the price has been going up, but the main thing is that I have we all have an exit strategy, an end goal. Whenever our our needs are met, maybe we want to purchase a home, maybe we want to buy some land, whatever it is. Seeing the price increase is wonderful, but knowing that that Holo chain is taking the right steps to become something wonderful, to become something great, is awesome. So anyway, that's it for this video. I just want to go ahead and talk about the patent. I know many of you guys are like, man, what happened to me? I promise you, I did not disappear off the face of the earth. I am back. I am ready to make plenty of videos. I did get a lot of you guys requests for some for some coins and tokens. They're gonna be doozies. Some of them might be real quick, but regardless, thank you guys very much for taking the time to comment and taking the time to getting to understand and increase your knowledge when it comes to Holochain. You guys have a wonderful day. Please, 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 as I always say, please, please do your own research. And last but not least, friends, by all means, please stay safe out there. Bye, you guys.